Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, mamaya sa Great Channel, a faith healer o Zomata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 24 hanggang July 31 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirits. So let's watch this. Alamin na natin yan, guys. So eto na, no? Ang panunumbalik natin sa eksena na to. So alamin na natin yan. Eto na. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. So this is the Six of Cups. Now, this is a past person or either a relatives or related sa iyo. There's something in memories, no? May mga bagay na nangyari from the past. So may, oh my goodness. So let's see. Or either this is something a friend with a devil card. Oh my goodness. May gumagawa sa'yo with the devil card and of course the Six of Cups. Oh my God, this is an ex. Or either a relatives or related sa'yo. Or family related, guys. Or either a friend of yours. No? May gumagawa ng black magic. And this is that comes with a partnership. So see, it's all about partnership. And this is the Ace of Pentacles with a big money and big opportunities. No? Kumaga, may mga bagay dito na maaring tuloy-tuloy ang pasok ang magaganda kapalaran sa'yo. This is justice will be served, no? Ang hustisya ay papabor sa'yo, no? This is something a karma. Kaya kung may ginawa kang mabuti, mabuti ang balik. Kung may ginawa kang masama, masama ang balik. Just be aware, guys. No? Reminder. And this is a Five of Swords. See, I told you. This is something a self-sabotage. That because of your actions. No? Just be aware of your action, guys. No? Dahil lahat mga bagay na yan ay babalik. No? Kung mabuti ang ginawa mo, mabuti rin ang balik sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Six of Cups. Represent the Queen of Wands by confidence, no? Kumaga, laksan ng loob mo, laksan ng pakiramdam mo dahil dito ay may taong, no, maliliwanagan ka dito, na malalaman mo itong tao na to may gumagawang ka ng eksena. This is something a reward card. This is something trouble, no? Mawiwindang ka dahil malalaman mo to at babaguhin ito ang mundong ginagalawan mo. And of course, this is something, the death card from the ending and a new beginning. Tatapusin na tong bagay na to for you. No? This is something, a transformation. And the Seven of what you're being protected. No? Kumaga, the Seven of Wands is something protections, no? You need something protection, guys, no? Kailangan mo na protection. Or you are being protected na dito, no? Maaaring protektado ka ng finances, love life, and career. And kasi sinasabi ni with the Emperor that seeing that this is something a power of God, no? Kumaga, this is something God, there is something God is in charge like that. Maaaring, kumbaga, hindi natutulog ang ating Panginoon. Nakikita lahat ng mga galawan mo or galawan ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Kaya this is a karma is waving. So let's see what is the Five of Swords. Ang Five of Swords represent the Three of Pentacles. So this is something collaboration or either at teamwork, no? May taong gumagawa behind your back, no? Or either yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo ay maaaring, no, bumabalik sa'yo with a self-sabotage, no? Just be aware, guys. The Six of Cups because the Queen of Wands represent the Knight of Cups. There's a wish of fulfillment. So may mga bagay na unti-unti na matutupad that because of this confident, no? Kumaga, maaring may mga pinagdaanan ka from the past na may mga maaring memories na lang siya, no? So let's see what is the Devil card and the World card. See, this is the High Priestess. So this is a hidden agenda or hidden enemy. So may mga bagay na hindi ka pa lubos na lalaman. May mga bagay na hindi mo pa lubos na nakikita with the world, with the High Priestess. No, sa mundong ginagalawan mo, babaguhin pa rin ang mundong gagalawan mo. Parang ganon. So this is the Two of Cups because the Death card represent the Tower moment for a major changes. O this is something a sudden changes, no? Itong mga bagay na to ay hindi mo akalain pagbabago na magaganap. Biglaan siya. No, this is something the Death card with a transformation. Babaguhin talaga with a partnership. The Ace of Pentacles and the Seven of Wands represent the Ten of Wands by burden. Na marami kang mga bagay o obligasyon pa, no? Or either may mga pasanin, no? May mga bigat or something a curses na ginawa sa iyo, but suddenly guys, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito na you are being protected. Diba? So let's see what is the Justice and of course the Emperor represent the judgment. Paalala. See? I told you. The temperance, sorry. This is something a temperance. No? Divine timing. No? This is a solid foundation. No? Sinasabi dito with the temperance na maaring, kumbaga magbigay sa'yo ng healing. Oh, so let's see what is the Five of Swords. And of course, the Three of Pentacles represent the Nine of Pentacles with the blossoming abundance. So may paglago at paglakas ng finances. But, just be aware, there's a lot of toxic, no, na may kukuha ng ano mo, ng swerte mo, no? May kumukuha ng swerte mo o may gumagawa ng isang eksena para malasin ka, no? So let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome dito is the Eight of Pentacles, no? This is a focus, no? Sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, kaya kailangan mo mag-focus. This is a Five of Cups, so this is something disappointment, no? And this is the Four of Pentacles. Protect your power, protect your energy. Kung ayaw mo magkaroon ng regret or disappointment or something, losses, just be aware of your actions, no? Kumbaga, kailangan tumutok sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo. Additional messages about sa career. So this is the King of Cups. You are being devoted. Or you either, guys, yung person mo ay devoted sa'yo. Na mahal ka. This is an Eight of Wands for fast communication and fast movement. There's a lot of messages and email, transactions, messages. And this is something that black namin. So see, it's all about black namin. May gumagawa talaga sa inyo, no, pagdating sa career. No, sa inyong dalawa na person mo. This is something a black man namin represent the black magic involved. Kaya nagkakaroon ng delays and cancellation sa lahat ng mga plano, mga gagawin yung actions, ganun. Additional messages about sa love life. Sa love life mo, this is something a Seven of Pentacles with a harvest time. So, deserve mo, no? Deserve mong mahalin at deserve mo yung mga bagay na nakukuha mo ngayon. And this is the Two of Swords with an indecision. Na may mga bagay na naghihirap ka bang mag-decide, but eventually, that this is a chart with a movement, no? May pagkilos at may paggalaw pa rin, no? Hindi ka nakastuck sa situation, eh. No? Kumbaga, may mga delays or cancellation, but eventually, hindi ka stuck. Kumbaga, umiikot ka pa rin, no? Kumbaga, there's something in circulation, no? With the plans, no? With the money, your source of income, no? So, hindi lang isa yung pinagkukuha na. So, there's a lot. Additional messages, no? About sa health. Sa health mo, this is a Ace of Cups. Now, this is something a new love or something a love, no? Passion. This is a Knight of Wands for slowly but surely, no? Kumbaga, itong pagmamahal nyo talagang minomold, no? Bilang solid investment or solid foundations na nagbibigay sa iyo ng something powerful joy, no? And happiness. So let's see, guys, no? What is the messages advice sa iyo with something money move oracle deck with money and career reading. So let's see. And this is a something transformation. I told you, this is don't be afraid of the unknown. No, wag kang matakot sumubok. No, kasi sabi dito, change the natural order of things. No, kumbaga may mga bagay na mababago with unexpected, but eventually, just trust the process. No? At sinasabi sa dito, this is something a winning. No, ipapanalo mo to. Laban na laban ka dito. Don't spend everything at once. No? Kumbaga sinasabi that sooner or later, luck comes to everyone. Talagang, di ba, ang swerte ay ipapabor sa'yo at talagang, di ba, ipapanalo mo tong laban na to. This is something flexibility. No? Sinasabi dito, be flexible in your methods. No? Sa lahat ng sistema, sa lahat ng aspeto, kailangan maging flexible ka. Hindi pwedeng iisa lang yung kaya mong gawin. Hindi lang iisa lang doon ka na nakafocus. Dapat lahat. Dapat multitasking or multi-eksena. Kagalan. Sure. So, let's see. Pagdating naman sa pag-ibig or pagdating sa love life, so let's see what is the Mystic Love Oracle deck. No? Anong chika sa'yo? With an unfinished business. Meron dito unfinished business or resolved situation. Na maaaring naghiwalay na kayo at maaaring nagkabalikan kayo, or either naghiwalay kayo at maaaring magkabalikan pa kayo. And this is something, addictions. Oy, doy, may addict dito. Unhealthy attachment. No, meron dito addictions. Addict na yung person mo, or either addict ka. Char. Lang yan. And this is a fated meeting, no? At sinasabi dito, there's a something connections, no? Kumbaga maaaring nagbibigay ito ng maaaring nagkaroon kayo ng paghihiwalay, but eventually magtatagpo kayo. Fated meeting nga, di ba? Ibig sabihin talagang sinubo kayo ng pagkakataon at panahon, ngayon pagtatagpuin kayo na tadhana. Or may pinagtagpo at tinadhana pala. And this is something, a grass in the greener possibilities. See? Kumbaga may mga posibilidad na ang mga, di ba? Ang mga damo ay maaaring talagang, di ba, mamukadkad like that, parang green na green siya galaan. Kumbaga parang represent na parang pagdating ng mga unos, no, kumbaga may kasaganahan na darating sa buhay nyo, no, with your partnership. So let's see guys, what is additional messages tayo with the magical fairy messages. With the magical fairy messages represent what? So this is do some research, no? Kailangan alamin mo yung makakatulong sa'yo, and you need more information about this situation. Look into a further before proceeding, no? Bago ka mag-proceed sa isang situation or sa isang eksena, kailangan na alamin mo muna. And there's a marriage. Now, this is a higher level of commitment. Maring kasal kayo, may asawa ka, may jowa ka, or either, kumbaga, nandun ka sa stages with something, live-in, no? Live-in partner. So let's see what is the synchronicities. What is the synchronicities? Let's see, guys. So, this is the storyteller. Mag-ingat ka, no? Meron ditong gumagawa ng kwento. And this is the gratitudes, no? Just be thankful sa kung ano man ang nangyayari sa paligid mo. And there's a changes, no? Kumbaga, change will come to your life. Na talagang magbabago like something, a butterfly, being transformation, no? So, let's see, guys, no? What is additional messages with the yin and yang oracle card? For yin and yang oracle card represents release and surrender. No? You need to release and surrender everything, no? May mga bagay na hindi mo kontrolado, bitawan mo. Avoidance, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mong iwasan, tigilan. Lalo-lalo na kung yung mga bagay na ay makakasama sa'yo. And this is something cycle and change. Talaga, this is something and change with the butterfly, guys, no? Talaga may butterfly ako nakikita talaga, pa ulit-ulit lang to kanina pa na maaring magbibigay sa'yo ng a great transformation and evolution and development. So, let's see, guys, no? What is additional messages with the Archangel Michael, messages for you. Archangel Michael, messages for you is be gentle with yourself, no? Kumbaga, wag mo masyado i-pressure yung sarili mo sa mga bagay-bagay at magkaroon ka ng disiplina, ha? And there's a go forward fearlessly, no? Magpatuloy ka na walang kinakatakutan, walang kinikilingan. Ganon. Additional messages. And there is an honor and trust your feelings. No, lagi kang makikinig sa iyong gut feeling, sa vibrations mo, sa intuitions mo, dahil hindi ka ililigaw ng iyong mga gabay. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a magworm with a right passage na makakapasa ka sa hamon ng buhay. And this is something change. Ay, may pagbabago talaga. This is a big change coming in for you with an empowerment and perseverance, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo magtiyaga, no? Ayun yung sinasabi, pag may tiyaga, may nilaga. So, this is something empowerment with something, a spiritual activation or spiritual development, no? Additional messages with the rejections, no? Marunong ka dapat tumanggi at marunong ka dapat dumedma ng mga taong alam mong chinichikahan ka lang or chismis lang yan or hanash lang yan, no? Umiwas ka sa mga alam mong wala namang ibig sabihin, or alam mo yung parang bini-brainwash ka lang or inuulol ka lang or binubudol ka lang. And this is something perseverance. Pagtsatsaga talaga. No? And this is something abundance. Kasaganahan talaga ay ilalantad na sa'yo. Oh my God! So let's see what is the angel's answer represent what? For angels, answer represent taking action. See, ang pagkilos at paggalaw. So, kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw sa isang eksena na to. And this is not the right time. Dahil hindi pa napapanahon yung mga bagay na para sa'yo. This is within the next few months. Sa mga susunod na buwan pa, no, dun mo makikita ang mga pagbabago. And there's an helpful people. Maraming tutulong sa'yo. May mga taong tutulungan ka. So, let's see what is the Moonology. Let's see guys, no, what is the Monsology? Monsology represent a time to give rather than take. No, mas maganda ikaw nagbibigay oras panahon kaysa ikaw hinihingian. And energy is gaining momentum. Itong bagay na to ay hindi mo makakalimutan. Tatatak to ha. And this is nothing will come in this situation kung hindi ka magtitik ng action. Walang mangyayari sa situation mo guys. Kung tutunganga ka, kung hindi ka gagalaw at hindi ka kikilos. Kung hindi mo susolusyonan at hindi mo tatapusin. No? So let's see what is the Romance Angels. Romance Angels represent what? And there's a children guy, no? Kumaga may hiro kayong mga anak, no? Na maaaring naiipit sa situation, no? And this is something retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world, no? Kailangan mo kumawala sa mga tao sa paligid mo at huwag ka nakikinig sa mga sulsol at buyo ng mga tao. And you deserve love, no? Kumaga deserve mong mahalin. Huwag mo isipin na lagi kang na pag-iiwanan ng eksena, hindi ka kamahal-mahal. Guys, you deserve love. May kumaga napupunta ka na sa mga taong kumaga hindi deserve yung pagmamahal mo, no? So there's something, a door to the personal healing happiness. So maaaring magkabubukas ang pintuan sa kagalingan at kaligayahan, no? For the energy, additional, all tied up. So kailangan mo kumawala sa mga negatibo. At kailangan mo kumawala sa eksena na to. So there's a lot of negativities around you and this is something appreciations, no? Marunong kang dapat mag-appreciate ng mga bagay-bagay. No, maliit man yan, this is something will be changed, no? Kung maliit man yan, darating yung araw na magbabago at lalaki din yung opportunities na yan. Kailangan mo lang magtiyaga. No, this is an honesty. Maging tapat ka sa kung ano man na meron ka sa sarili mo, sa ibang tao. And this is something relationship. Even sa pagmamahal at even sa mga tao sa paligid mo, ang totoong pagmamahal talaga ay manggagaling sa puso mo, hindi dahil sa material na bagay. For Arcangel Raphael messages, and there's a yes, no? Lahat ng mga katanungan mo, lahat ng mga minihiling mo na kagalingan, and there's a yes, no? Diet is more important here. Kailangan mo rin mag-diet, no? And this is sobriety, kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables, no? Kailangan mo masusustansya pagkain, hindi puro red meat, hindi puro fast food, no? Kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables. Additional messages. And there's a nutrition, I told you so, diba? Kailangan mo talaga ng mga masusustansyang pagkain. And there's a counseling, no? Marunong ka dapat, kumbaga tumingin ng tao, or marunong ka dapat, kumbaga himay-himayin yung mga taong kumakausap sa'yo or mga nagbibigay na advice sa'yo. Lilinawin mo kung itong tao na to ay may hidden agenda or may hanas siya sa'yo, or either, kumbaga itong tao na to ay nagbibigay sa'yo ng advices or something information, kumbaga dahil, iniingatan at pinoproteksyonan ka, no? Marunong ka dapat tumingin ng mali at tama at mali, no? And there's a remember, no? Sinasabi dito, there's something soul plan, the fated life and versus the destiny life. So talaga pinapakita dito na may mga pagkakataon na pagtatagpuin kayo at talagang kayo ang itinadhana sa isa't isa. Jesus' loving quote said, "You are the light of the world." At ikaw yung magsisilbing liwanag sa lahat ng eksena niya, no? Kumbaga, lahat ng mga kaganapan sa buhay mo, kumbaga, may hirapan siyang kapain lahat ng mga bagay na yan kung wala ka. Kasi ikaw ang liwanag, ikaw yung liwanag na magsisilbing kaliwanagan sa lahat ng eksena niya, no? So, let's see what is the angel's number. Ang angel's number represent at 1001 for spiritual awakening. No, kumbaga minumulat kayo dito at pinapakita dito that there's a something new beginning and there's a personal development, no? And healing and of course heading in the right direction. Sinasabi dito, a new phase is a religious of spiritual guests. You are going through spiritual awakening which can feel like a dark night of the soul. You are on the path of the enlightenment and this too shall pass. So see, kumbaga makakapasa ka sa hamon ng buhay. May mga bagay na kailangan pagdaanan. Ganun talaga, no? Minsan napupunta tayo sa situation na akala mo wala kang kakampi, na akala mo hanggang dun na lang, no? Hindi mo alam na binibigay sa iyo yung opportunity na yan para malaman mo at maliwanagan ka sa lahat na nangyayari sa aspeto sa buhay mo, no? May mga bagay dyan na akala mo pinagkaitan ka ng langit at lupa but eventually binibigay yan sa iyo dahil kapag natapos mo yung guess na yan or goal na yan or something, challenges na yan, dun mo makikita ang totoong liwanag, no? Dun mo makikita ang totoong tagumpay mo, no? At ipapakita sa iyo na kumbaga deserve mo yung mga bagay na makukuha mo. Ganon. Additional messages. At sinasabi dito, ang messages of life represents master of life. Doon ipapakita naman na ma-master mo na ang totoong buhay, no? Kumbaga nasa totoong klase ka na ng buhay na hindi lang yan sarap, no? Hindi lang ganon. Kumbaga may mga pagdadaanan ka bago mo malasap ang totoong tagumpay. This is something I dedicated my shrine to the divine with me, aligning myself with the true sovereign of my life. My ego step aside as I listen to the inner voice. And accordance with the truth I heard, in this way I become the master of life. I live in inviting humility, grace, and love from the glory of God. So see, ipinapakita sa iyo, hinakain na sa iyo yung mga bagay na magdadagdag sa kaalaman at kaliwanagan sa buhay mo. No? Matuto tayong tanggapin. No, matuto tayong kumbaga i-embrace lahat ng eksena sa buhay natin at pagtagpi-tagpiin na lahat ng mga bagay na ibinibigay sa iyo is like a something a pieces, no? Kumbaga yung parang siya, para puzzle. This is like a puzzle, guys, na bawat eksena, bawat pieces na eksena na yan, may ibig sabihin, may kahulugan. Kapag nabuo mo na yan, doon mo makikita totoong larawan, no? Totoong larawan na ibinibigay sa'yo ng ating poong may kapal na there's something, a success heading your way. So, guys, this is something, a weekly gabay for the month of July 24 hanggang July 31 for the sign of Taurus. So, Taurus, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. And because maraming salamat sa mga walang sawag sa sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!